We are a home solutions brand.
And you know what that means? That means we build it right. All right, guys, why are QC walks important? And a QC is quality control walks that we do at D&G. Our first stage is right before city inspections. We do our own quality control walk to make sure everything is being done to our standards. As long as it passes our inspection, our team will be ready for the inspector to get in next. Our second QC walk is right before paint. It's after the trimmer is done and all the trim is in, cabinets are in, all the good details in, tiles in, and that's why we can make sure if there's anything fixed before we go into this paint, that it's 100% good, and even drywall being checked before we go into paint. And our third QC walk is our final. That is where we walk it internally with our team, our project coordinators, our superintendents. We make lists of everything, so that way when the homeowner walks in, our goal is they walk in and there's nothing left to do, and we've done our punch list and got this completely taken care of, and they're done that day.